Oh, happy Saturday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. We are not very, not in a very good shape in Los Angeles. As you guys know, we had a massive, wildfires, surrounding our city. From like every direction, there's like 4 or 5 big fires going on at the same time. And it's very scary, for the past like 3-4 days. Today's Saturday, January 11th. A little better, but still we see a lot of embers, not embers, like ashes, falling from the sky. And the thing, the Karsa Los Angeles, Jidin Sobegi, Pernalia, the Sayam Gavegi, me, Mamush de Rochinoa. Ditolia Shinde Kuregi, Gombena, Long Beach, Tibet Gelina, Tadishusha, and do study any Dusenyam Gate, Chiada, and the period some of those chickdy, Toria Kange, Ube Kablia, and some Pazu Robachedi, and a Kachum Shuchadi Gore, the new Tatri, this Shine, choosing it or my Gombenalia, any Tasharim, which Chiagi, Chashidus Chedisha. And they'll destroy the Shuay. And I'm some Magalia with our Gomanalia, any Mikazu Zom do St. Timishu Shuay, Kadinche.
The Ghana, the Hajam, the Yawa Tenson, the Inda in Shuay, and a Shuzu money, and Tanjur Kadija in Inda in, and a Chasan Penolution, they are with those, and around the Latensian Kadija when around the Shuis, Shuay. And
thank you very much for our number of friends who are here joining us in the special prayers for the victims of the earthquake in Tibet and the victims of 6 region fires in SoCal and those who also joined us online. So thank you very much on behalf of GSTDL.